ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಬೇಲೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ for March 08, 2024, Class 5, Friday. Note: please practice and record video about clothes and colors 2 times. Submit the video in Flip app under your group. The table has new words and its meaning. The assignment in English. Number 1. My name is Aditya. We go to our native place in every summer. Number 2. My great grandmother has knee joint pain. Number 3. My grandfather had no pants but had lungi and mundu. I like white. This is number 4. I like white part of the egg but not yellow part. Its translation in Tulu. Number 1. Enna pudaru Aditya. Yanklu prati aregaladu yanklena moola oorugu popa. Number 2. Enna pijjigu murampuda gantu bene undu. Pijji is grandmother. Number 3. Enna ajjerda pant ituji anda lungi bokka mundu ittandu. Yeah, just see ituji and ittandu. They are opposite words. Okay. Number 4. Enku tettida boldu baga ishta anda manjalda baga ishta ijji. So here also again ishta and ishta ijji, they are opposite words. Okay. So here are the new words and their meaning. Grandfather Ajjeru, great grandmother Pijji, summer Aregala, every Prati, knee Murampu, joint Gunt, had Ittandu. Lungi Mundu is same, lungi and mundu. Part Baga, egg Tetti, and sometimes it's called as Tatti or Ketti also. White Buldu, yellow Manjalu. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.
America Tulu Association